This stunning AI animation video, would you believe me if I told you that this entire video, from the script to the voiceover to the visuals, was created using just one AI tool? That's right, this wasn't made with a big team of animators, it was completely generated with an AI tool. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it to bring your own AI-generated characters to life and create stunning viral-worthy AI animations videos all in just a few minutes. If you are looking to make viral AI videos in just click, then this video will walk you through the entire process, from script generation to full AI animation video with single AI.
Mysterious
See this.
Begin appearing overnight, leading a skeptical journalist to uncover a secret society hidden in plain sight. The journalist investigates the mysteriously appearing mural. The first clue leads to an old bookstore, where related sketches are found in a rare book. The historian tells the journalist rumors about a secret society. During the investigation, the mysterious figure warns the journalist to stop. But the journalist ignores the threat. The journalist locates an abandoned warehouse in the outskirts of the city. Inside, whispers are heard, and a large mural is discovered. Just as the journalist is about to examine it, the lights go out.
This animated video was made within few clicks. And also see this before go in depth.
A group of terrorists is plotting a terrifying attack. Agent James is on his way to solve everything. The terrorists are gathering at the dock for a meeting. Suddenly, a gunshot echoed through the night. A fierce battle broke out between the terrorists and James. The terrorists blew up the dock. The police also began to mobilize for support. Meanwhile, the mastermind Kevin watches it all from his car. Kevin is a wanted terrorist leader. He is driving towards the city center. The city is in total chaos. More weapons of war are appearing on the streets. The police can't control the situation, and chaos escalates. The military has also joined the fight. The battle raged on until
you will find the links in description.
The battle shows
Sign
no
up and go
signs
to
of
this
stopping.
AI's homepage. You'll see two options. Create AI video and create AI character. If you want to create a video, click input text, we're now on this screen. At the top, you'll see 4 steps right now. We're on the first one. Let's check out aspect ratio. There are 2 options. Landscape and portrait. Subscribe my channel. You can also pick from different video languages. Plus, there are tons of styles to choose from. Pick the style you want. On the right side of the screen is the content input area. There are 2 input options, generate from prompt and use my content. If you pick generate from prompt, just type in your idea and the AI will expand on it for you not sure what to write. No worries, check out the stable ideas below for inspiration. On the other hand, use my content means you're using your own ideas, as is no AI expansion. Here's a quick tip: number of generated shot, and there's a limit on the total word count. You can add more shots, to just hit the enter key where you want to make a new line. To make the story more interesting, you can add more scenes. Click next. Now we're on step 2. Choosing a character. At the top left, you'll see the project name, and here is where you pick the character's position. Click edit character. You'll get a character library. There will be lots of characters to choose from. If you don't find the right one, you can create your own. Click create. Or create one from the homepage. Next, keep choosing a character. Once you've picked one, click a confirm. Next, now we're on step 3, storyboard. In the top left, you'll find the voiceover and background music. You can adjust the voiceover speed. You can also pick the right voiceover. Magiclight offers you a variety of voiceovers to choose from. There are also plenty of background music options available. You can adjust the music volume using volume settings. In the bottom left, you'll see the generated shots. You can pick a shot to edit if needed. At the top center, you'll see the shot preview. It also shows the voiceover text. At the bottom center, there's a history of the previous frames. In the top right, there's edit characters. Here, you can add or change characters, but you can have up to 2. Below that, you'll find edit storyboard. You can adjust the character's movements here. No character in the voiceover, no need to pick an action. Further down, you'll find the scene description. If the scene isn't what you wanted, edit the description and click or regenerate. This will generate a new scene for you want the scene to move. Click Animate in the bottom right. I recommend using Animate Pro. There are 2 ways to animate it. The first is auto-generated. The second is based on your description, like just type "put on sunglasses." Once everything's set, just click a Generate Video. Once it's done, you get the full video in the top right. You can choose to publish or download. Below that you can pick a video cover also. Let's see final video. Nowadays, creating animations akin to Pixar and Disney doesn't require expensive hardware or expertise in complex software like 3ds Max, Maya, Cinema 4D, Blender, and more. With today's AI-powered image and video generators, you can create incredible videos and animations without technical skills, in minimal time, and at no cost. These AI tools support a wide range of animation styles, including 2D, 3D, photorealistic, cartoon, anime, and comic styles. This means you can bring your most creative ideas to life, whether it's a promotional video, a game trailer, a short animation, or anything else you can imagine. You don't even need storytelling or screenplay expertise. Go ahead and give it a try. You will find the necessary links in description. Thank you for watching.